How's it going? It's MC Squared. I'm going to do a video really quick on how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing using the TI Nspire. Here's our equations. Y equals 2x minus 1 and y equals negative x plus 5. All right, to solve this system of equations, the first thing I'm going to do is go home. Then I'm going to go to graph. And then I'm going to type my first equation in, 2x minus 1. If I hit enter, it'll graph it. And now if I hit the tab button, it will bring up another y equals for me to graph the second equation. So negative x plus 5. Press enter. And then I have my two equations. And we can see that the intersection, which is our solution, is right here. But to get that exact ordered pair, although we can see it's 2, 3, we can confirm that by pressing menu and then pressing 6 and going to 4. Menu 6, 4 for the intersection. It says lower bound. It just wants to give you an estimate of like what's on the lower side of the intersection. Just to the left of it, press enter. Same thing for upper. I'll just hit something around the opposite side on the right side of the intersection. And then it tells me my intersection, which is 2, 3, and that's my solution to the system of equations.